Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Spanish Trail. This time around, we have a competition here with Evangelist Ifeanyi. So, he now take money. Say, who first to win this, win 10,000 naira. This is just ordinary semo and one garret. That is 6. So, first to win 10,000 naira. So, I don't know if you have anything.
Yes. I have something to say. This is Evangelist Ifeanyi speaking. I come all the way from Port Harcourt because I heard the way this guy was here in Lagos State. So I decided to flew in to dethrone him, to overtake him, to overshadow him. So today is the big day.
So now we start. Game start.
Spanner. I beg someone should pick the money. Pick the money. Spanner is going.
I go take your money disappear. 419 is just a game. You are the loser. I am the winner. 419 is just a game. Because I am tomorrow may come. Love the mambo, love it the bow, love the janta, love it all them. Kiss we.
No be mouth. Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt man. You don't let boys there though. 3 weeks. Let's go. The 10K is going. The 10K is going. 10K is gone. Oh yeah, Oga, we don't accept camera. We don't accept. A big welego kainawa. Welego kainawa.
Come and kiss me, come and wipe me. Just because you know say I get the money. Before they finish, you will run away. Before you go, let me enjoy you. Give it to me from. I give you some money.
How do you go party when the money comes
You don't give up.
I don't give up.
Where the God where you carry come, where God today that? God don't go.
Yes.